Hi Drastic Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw Andrea from Lego Friends. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve and come right across about right here and do the same thing. And just connect at the bottom with a curve. And about right here is my center, and then I'm going to go right back up. There. And I'm going to come to the sides, and I'm going to have her eye go a little bit higher than where we started, just so I can put in some strands of hair a little bit easier without having to erase. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop in a circle right here and draw another circle about right here, same thing, towards the edge. There. Now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, and then from there, let's spruce up these eyes. So on the sides right here, I'm just going to put in two soft curves, just simplify it for some lashes. And then let's see here, let's give her a smile, of course. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a soft curve, slightly goes up, and then cap it off. Then from there, let's start to draw her hair. So just imagine a little oval. So let's say about right here, right in the center, I'll just pick a point. From there, I'm going to draw some waves coming down to where we started, right there. So same thing over here. Just draw some waves coming down. There. And then let's draw her brow. So it's come up about in this area. I'm just going to draw a soft angle, thicken it up, and I'll just go ahead and shade it in. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And shade it in. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and build her hair. So let's just bring this down a little bit more. Give her some volume here. And then the top and the center, let's go up nice and high, nice and straight. So say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and start. So two curves that go up on both sides. And I'm just going to start to build her hair nice and thick. I'm just going to bring it down. So same thing over here. And bring it down. And I'll just draw in some details here. So let's say about right here, we can go up with a strand. Comes down. Same thing here. We're just trying to give her hair some volume and some texture. There. Okay, so hopefully that makes her hair look full and wavy. Okay, before we finish everything, let's go ahead and draw her body first. And so let's come to the center right here. We're going to give her a little neck right there, and then we're going to bring it down for her shoulders. Right here. And right here. So on this side, we're going to make it a little bit higher. I'm just going to stop right there because this hand goes to her hip. And then from there, I'm going to come right back to, well, let's see here. Let's draw her neckline. So about right here, I'm going to come with a curve and go up right there. So this kind of determines where my sleeve's going to be. So I'm going to come about right here with a curve and here. And then I'm going to go down with an angle. To about right there, and then I'll go ahead and connect. So pretty even, so about right here, I'm going to go connect with a curve. And then let's give her skirt a little band right here. So pop this out a little bit, then draw another curve. And then pop out her skirt. So let's go ahead and bring this down a little bit more. We're just going to flare it out slightly on both sides to about right there, and we're going to go ahead and connect it with a bunch of curves that go all the way across. There. And then we're going to draw another layer, so come down right about here and about here. And once again, we're just going to go ahead and wobble and connect. And then now to draw her feet. So we're going to center them. So let's say about right here and here. Go ahead and draw her feet. So I'm just going to angle the line down to about right there. Sticking them up, and we're getting thinner as we come down to her ankles. And about right there, I'm going to flare it out for her foot. And connect at the bottom of a curve. And then for some details, come right here with another curve, and then right here on her ankle, just going to do a little strap. So let's do the same thing on this side. Get thinner, and then we're just going to flare it out. So once again, curve right here and 2 more curves for a strap. And that is it for her legs. So let's come back up and draw her arms. So on this side, it's nice and simple. We're just going to have it to her side. So just come down all the way, and say about right here, we're going to draw her hand. So just come follow and just curve in right there. And then on this side, we're going to have it on her hips. So let's come right back to here, and we're going to angle, curve down to about right here, and angle out. So it's thicken up, elbow, bring it in, and as we come down here, we're going to angle, and then a little finger. There. So now I'm looking at this, I think I need to pop this out a little bit more. Goes too thin. Okay, so hopefully that helps a little bit more. Then from there, let's finish her hair. So I'm just going to start to wobble this down all the way to say about right here, just to simplify it, and just tuck it in there. And we'll draw some more curves or some more details, and then right here we're going to draw a music note. So about in this area, let's come down with an angle. We're going to pop out, curve, bring down this point right here, and connect there. And then of course all the details on her dress on the top, we're going to just start with this music note about right here. And there's one right here, a single note, and then a bunch of circles. So I'll just go ahead and quickly, you can always just do this when you're coloring, so it's not some harsh, but I definitely wanted to show you all the details. So maybe like one more here, and I'll add a heart right here. I'll sneak in a little heart right there to make it my Draw So Cute Andrea from Lego Friends. And I think there's like a different color right here on her skirt. And hopefully I've captured everything and I have not forgotten any of the details, but I really hope you love how my version of Andrea here turned out from Lego Friends and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.